Welcome and welcome back to my channel. But I am in a 12-passenger van going to Chicago. And as of right now, I think we have 4 hours. We is in Chicago. Well, not Chicago. Illinois, as he says. Illinois.
It's Illinois.
We is Illinois. And we is going to a Japanese mall. Like, you're so excited.
Not bad, not bad.
This is so cool. Ooh, so excited. I forgot to change my vlogging battery, so I'm using my phone. How you like that?
That's cool. I never been before, so.
I know, dude. That
Dang, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Cool.
I love these stuff.
It's not different from like the Korean store.
Yeah, we're so used to H-Mart. This is totally different from H-Mart, by the way. They got all the skincare products. They have so much stuff here, you guys. Look at all the meat.
$5 for this? Are you serious?
Whoa, for that? 50 cents off, though. You getting sushi?
Yes.
What are you planning to get?
And avocado roll.
You gonna get this one? We got done in the, what is it called? The Japanese mall? I don't know how to say it and I don't want to mispronounce it. I got a fried pork cutlet with curry. Bomb as heck. They had a lot of cool things, but I didn't want to buy anything because we're going to go to H-Mart and another Asian Korean mall and I want Korean food. We are going to go do a lot of things and I'm so excited. We took turns because the dogs are with us. Like a Kiwi and Luna. Maxie Boy is right there by the window. Coda is sitting with me. And I can't really sit properly because he's so cute. Look at him.
He's mad at you, huh?
He's mad at me because he was wandering around and he was eating stuff and I told him to sit next to me. Koda. 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 Are you mad at me? Hi, you guys. This is Koda's interview. Oh. Koda, it's okay. You guys, he doesn't even bark, he howls. Koda, are you having fun? Are you having fun?
That's okay, boy.
He doesn't want to answer because he just got done howling. We're at Hello Tokyo. Ooh, I'm so excited because I want to look at all the anime and stationery things. Oh, I'm so excited. It is a Daiso. This is the largest Daiso that we have. You don't know what that is. Oh, okay, BRB. Okay, show me what you got me from Hello Tokyo.
So from Little Tokyo, I got you this guy.
Can you open his eyes?
I don't know. Nope.
Oh, he done.
And then I got you this little dude here. Mr. Tanjiro.
Baby, you got me the big Tanjiro.
That guy.
You didn't get me the pretty boy guy?
He ugly. But then I got you the same lanyard. You copy me. The chibi.
It's chibis.
And that's it.
That's what you got me.
Yeah. I got my mom's stuff too.
Cute. Thanks, baby. But this is what I got. I got a cute tote bag. It says, "You shouldn't be so patient anymore. Play hard forever and ever." It's very cute. I like it. And this was the only cute tote bag they had, actually. I got my husband some socks because he need new socks. Isn't he cute?
Yeah, Snorlax. I like that.
It's Snorlax. I wish they were in black, but... And I got him Bulbasaur because he my Bulbasaur. And I also got him the same keychain because he loves chibi animes. He loves chibi animes. He's so cute. And I got my favorite thing. I got my favorite anime notebook. They had Jujutsu Kaisen, but then they didn't have Gojo on it. I mean, they did, but it was my shirt on a notebook. I didn't want that. But I got Hinata and Kageyama. And this store has a lot of Korean food and like a lot of stationery. I want to go look at the stationery stuff. I just want Korean food. This is my husband's favorite food, Korean food, bimbap. Kimbap, not bimbap, kimbap. Kimbap. I know. Sorry, gosh. I don't know. Should I get this now or should I get this at H-Mart? You guys, these are so good. These are so yummy. Do I want banana or do I want strawberry? Or do I want to get it? I want strawberry. I don't know. I'll just get this. And look, it's so yummy. For some reason, where I live at, it's so expensive. Stupid. I don't know which chips I want to get. Yay! You guys, these are so good. It don't matter. I'm tired, baby. Are you tired?
I'm tired.
You guys are so tall.
They got a whole nother store.
I know. You still want to go to the beach with the doggos?
Yeah.
It's just so cold.
Alright, what do you want?
You're so comfy.
美國都快出嚟嚇。
Shouldn't name out. So they told us that it'd be like a 10-15 minute wait for our chicken, and he's freaking complaining. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Ooh, look how yummy it looks. So yummy. Oh, it smells, wow, it smells spicy as heck. What is this? Oh, the sides. Ready? Good. Aya. It's so good. You want some? Look at all the yumminess.
Bon blanchard.
Biết món lẩu ma.
5 minutes.